What's up mga kababayan, mga repa peeps, mga tito, mga tita, mga plantita, mga girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, butiki, baboy. Welcome to Business Reviews Vlog! Bibili ako ng insurance. Sama kayo sa journey ko sa paghanap ng best insurance sa Philippines. Sa video na to, papakita ko sa inyo yung proseso ng pagbili ko ng insurance. Nasa stage ako ngayon ng pag-review ng mga proposal na pinadala sa akin. Para malaman nyo kung nasa stage ako, ito yung process ko ng pagbili ng insurance. Interest, get proposals, review proposals, select proposal, get contracts, go, no, go. Bye! Ang ginawa ko, humingi ng proposal sa lahat ng top insurers. Itong mga insurance companies na to. Ito na yung pangalawa nating re-review, yung FWD Set for Health. Na-review ko na yung AXA, Health Max 10. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, watch the video here, link in the description below. Kung gusto mong subaybayan ang proseso ko ng pagbili ng insurance, consider subscribing and hitting that notification icon. Pwede mo din ako i-follow sa Facebook page at Business Reviews Vlog. Pero bago tayo tumuloy, seryoso to, hindi to puro kasiyahan lang. Lahat ng sasabihin ko simula sa point nito, kailangan iniisip nyo to. Ito ang table of contents natin. Number 1, insurance definitions, terms, para makasabay ka. Number 2, selection process, paano ko pumili at bakit yun yung pinili kong type ng policy. Preference ko sa pagpili, budget, etc. Number 3, FWD Set for Health video. Maganda itong video na to kasi ito yung video na narason bakit ginawa ko itong series na to. Number 4, evaluation. Ito yung pinaka-importanting part nung tinignan natin yung proposal mismo. Number 5, papakita ko sa yung policy mismo. Mag-scroll lang tayo sa pages. For some reason, may mga financial advisor na ayaw kayong bigyan ng proposal. Ito na, makikita mo na yung proposal bago kayo mag-meet. O nga palang kailangan ng VPN para ma-access ng international sites. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Mabilis sila at consistent yung connection. Express VPN at meron akong dalawang packages na kinuha sa kanya. Pwede yung gumamit ng up to 5 devices at the same time. Pinoy din yung mga CSR dito at mabilis at maganda yung customer service nila. Try mo for 1 month, ang makikita mo yung difference niya compared sa ibang VPN. Mas consistent, mas mabilis, at mas maganda yung support nila. Click mo yung link sa description ng video. Try mo lang for 1 month. Highly recommended ko to. Actually, natuwa ako review tong proposal na to kasi hindi ako nag-nosebleed.
Yes. Where were we?
At putya, parang hindi trabaho yung feeling kasi 4 pages lang siya. Para may idea kayo, ito yung number of pages ng bawat proposal ng each company na may similar product. Iba-ibang type of insurance at madaming terms. Isa na ang word na terms. Prepaid is usually paano babayaran or nag-i-indicate kung gaano katagal ang isang insurance policy. An example of this is travel lang for that one flight, for that boat ride, that luggage, dengue lang. HMO naman is a word to define kung saan ginagamit yung insurance. Para sa mga out-of-pocket expenses, bigla mong diagnostic, bigla mong ER, consultation, laboratory test, HMO is a term type of policy. Eto na, pag sinabi mong term, ito yung mga possible definitions niya. Number 1, amount of time covered ka ng insurance policy. Coverage term. Example, prepaid policy, HMO. Pwede sabihin kasing covered ka by a particular amount o kaya covered ka by a particular span of time, up to age, ganito. Termination of coverage. Kung kailan matitigil ang policy. Nag-term na ang policy. Term can also mean a policy type, prepaid, HMO, or traditional. A traditional type of insurance policy can be regular or a term type of policy. Number 4, pwede ding term to refer to payment terms. Kung gaano katagal ka magbabayad. 10-year term. So, 10 years ka magbabayad sa kanila every year or for 20 years, annually, quarterly for 10 years. Gumawa ako ng ganitong visual kasi naghanap ako sa internet at wala akong nakita ni isang picture na nag-explain ng ganito. Iba-iba yung insurance type, makita mo sa kaliwa. Yung line sa baba, age yan, from 0 to 100. Huwag mo nang basahin, hindi mo mababasa. Yung red line, 65 yan. Usually, patay ka na dyan. 65 or 75. Na-move na yan. Tingnan natin yung ating legend. Merong blue at saka may orange. Yung nasa taas, yung coverage term. Kung gaano katagal ka covered ng isang policy. Tapos yung orange sa baba, yun yung how regular ka magbabayad. Blue, coverage term. Orange, payment terms. Ito yung mga reason ko at preferences ko. Paano ko pumili? Number 1, hindi naman magta-travel, yung magkakadengge. So, hindi prepaid ang kailangan ko. So, X na sa akin yan. HMO, nire-renew yan annually. Ang HMO, maganda yan kung kaya pa sa budget, ikabit sa may traditional insurance. Kung insured ka na. HMO sounds appealing. Sa case ko, hindi pa ako covered ng traditional plan, so X muna sa akin yan. Renewable term. Yung renewable term, nare-renew mo yan every 5 years, every 10 years. Ayoko niyan. Bakit? Kasi, number 1, pataas ng pataas ang price niyan every 5 years. Number 2, at a particular age, hindi ka nila aalaw. So, usually, 65 or 75. Sa renewable term, lalo na pag nagka-diagnosis ka ng critical illness, hindi ka nila i-renew or kapag i-renew ka na, napakamahal na. So, X sa akin yan. Dahil hindi ka na profitable, hindi ka nila i-cover. Yan yung kaya kung may red na X dyan. instead of paying for something like that, I'd rather be liquid. Whole life is a type of insurance na pwede mong kabitan ng critical illness. Ang reason kung bakit hindi ko pinili ang whole life, kasi feeling ko at a particular age, hindi na ako productive, hindi na ako gumagawa ng pera. May ways naman, pero para sa akin, I'd rather not put a future commitment for something na hindi ako sure. Buying what you can afford lang, realistically. Wool. Wool is a more complex product. I don't like wool. The reason is, parang nagsa-stock trading ka through their platform. May babantayan pa ako. Kung marunong ka mag-stocks, marunong ka mag-forex, hindi bagay sa'yo to. You probably know how to make money better or faster, easier way than through another middleman. Kasi yung investment, gagamit ako ng hard investment instrument. Ako, pag gusto ko palagay ng pera ko, may alam ako ibang other ways na mas less effort at mas malaki din ang kita. Pag wala kang oras at ayaw mong intindihin lahat yon, okay to. At dahil dyan, ang napili ko ay traditional health insurance. Dahil yun ang need ko. Ito yung pinaka-relevant sa akin. Para fair yung comparison ko, kumuha ako ng 3M proposal sa bawat insurance company at ginawa akong 10-year terms na annual ang payment method. Okay ba? Kung katulad yung sitwasyon ko, critical illness with life insurance ang ire-recommend ko sa'yo. Actually, dahil sa sobrang busy ko sa mga importanteng bagay like Iceborne, hindi na ako nag-pay attention sa insurance for some time. Shoutout nga pala kay Michael Cruz sa pagtanong sa akin tungkol sa video na to. Ito yung sinabi niya. Ang sabi, pwede kang mag-claim 3 times ng critical illness. For example, ang policy mo is 3M, effectively, magiging 9M yan kapag nag-claim ka 3 times. Panoodin na yung video. Ito yung video na nag-udyok sa akin gawin tong series na to. Link ng video sa description. Kung napanood mo to, gusto mo makita yung review ko mismo, panoodin mo, punta ka sa timestamp na to. Video. Paso!
30 years ago, getting diagnosed with a major critical illness was pretty much a death sentence. But now, medical advancements have made it possible for critical illness survivors to enjoy longer and more productive lives. The catch? Living longer potentially exposes us to more than one major critical illness in our lifetime, and treatment will still cost you an arm and a leg the second or third time, if you get coverage at all. Introducing FWD's Set for Health Plan. It's a one-of-a-kind plan that lets you live a worry-free life through good times and when things are not going so well. With Set for Health, get covered for 42 major critical illnesses and claim for up to 3 times for 3 unrelated major critical illnesses up to age 75. With 100% coverage each time to help you fight and recover. That's triple protection for triple peace of mind. Impressed? We haven't even scratched the surface yet. If you get diagnosed with your first major critical illness, we'll waive all future premiums and coverage continues, free of further charges, so you can focus on what matters most, getting well. For 15 minor critical illnesses, you'll get ample coverage too. One claim up to 20% of the coverage amount to be exact. More than enough to help you with smaller medical expenses, which can still be a financial burden. But what if the illnesses don't come knocking? What if life stays awesome until you're 75 and you don't claim for a major critical illness? Simple. We'll give you 100% of your premium back, no questions asked. Lastly, what if the unthinkable happens before you reach 75 and you pass away? FWD will look after your family by giving them 100% of your plan's coverage amount so they can financially be worry-free. Purchase your Set for Health plan today. We've got you covered for a lifetime of possibilities. Get ready to live.
Nung nakita ko tong video na to, naghanap ako ng friends ko kung merong FWD financial advisor. Akalain mo yun, may friends ako. Ang tumulong sa akin, gumawa nito ay si Melissa B. Madriono. Actually, I like bees kasi nung bata ako, gusto ko mga honeybees. Actually, gusto ko magkaroon ng sariling bee farm. Si B, mahilig siyang mag-explain at mabilis siyang bumalik sa akin sa mga tanong na hindi ko nasagot at comprehensive yung pagkaka-explain niya sa akin. If you want to reach out to her, I leave her number, her Facebook page, and her email on the description below. Also, here, pwedeng WhatsApp, Viber, texting, pwedeng Zoom, Blue Jeans, pwede din hindi face-to-face. Kung gusto mo magpa-quote, magpa-explain, contact mo siya sa details niya sa description ng video. Tingnan natin yung proposal. Pasok! Okay, isa-isay natin. Wow! Big sign! Be ready to take on life's challenges. Actually, sila lang ang may ganyang stand out na statement. At saka laki laki ng banner. Life is full of adventures. Don't let anything. Parang, stop me. Stop me. Big statement, celebrate life. Paka-happy. Paka-jubilant. Julie B! Hi kay Munina Kakayat. This page is pretty useless sa akin. Pero to be honest, it primed me to be positive. Iniisip ko yung mga susunod na pages, mga gandang bagay. So, I guess effective siya. Great copyright, by the way. Kung sino gumawa nito, message mo ako, may papagawa ko sa'yo. Yung validity ng proposal nila, pinakamahaba na nakita ko. Yung iba kasi 1 month lang, kailangan mo na ulit magpa-quote. Nakakainis. So, kailangan mag-close, mabigay sa yung proposal agad, etc. Paano pag wala kang oras? This also means na mas simplified yung offerings nila. Visuals pa lang beta sa akin to. Tumas sa expectations ko sa kanina. Tsaka siguro sa video na din. Dito pala naka-include yung waiver of premium included. Pag nagkaroon ka major critical illness, hindi na magbabayad ng premium. Okay, maganda nakalagay yan. Klaro dito. Yung waiver of premium maganda kasi kuwari 10 years ka magbabayad, tapos nagkasakit ka ng 3rd year, yung 4th year onwards, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran. So, hindi natatamaan ng cash flow mo. Kung ganun, mas maganda na mas mahabang kunin mong terms. Kung wari 20 years, no, mas madami kang hindi babayaran. Pero para sa akin, 10 years lang kasi feeling ko at a particular time, hindi na ako productive nga. Okay. Qualify nila yung 3 times pwede mag-claim. Each of your illness claims must belong to a different major critical illness group. See groupings on next page. Diagnosis of subsequent critical illness should be at least 1 year from the date of the diagnosis of the preceding critical illness. Preceding, nauna pala. Sa kanila, pag nag-claim ka, hindi na babawasan ng value ng policy. Pwede ka mag-claim ulit up to 3 times. So, every year ka mag-claim, pwede. As long as after siya ng 1 year. Pero pag nag-claim ka every year, ano na, Lord? Bakit ako? Direct na ko ba yung role? Okay ba yung acting ko, direct? You will be able to claim for a second benefit under the cancer group for as long as you have been declared cancer-free at least 5 years prior to the diagnosis of the second cancer. So, ang cancer kasi may chance na bumalik yan. And usually, mga before 75, meron ka ng cancer, tsaka mga 2M ang ginagastos dyan, roughly. Today's prices. No subsequent major critical illness benefit will be paid if you have already received a benefit due to terminal illness or loss of independent existence. Pilipino gumawa nito. So, terminal illness o kaya loss of independent existence. One selling point sa kanila is meron silang healthy life benefit, which means pag hindi ka nag-claim ng anything, babalik nila lahat ng pinasok mo na pera sa kanila at age 75. Okay, so parang hanggang 75 ang coverage sa kanila, not 100. Critical illness coverage is until 75 and life up to 75. Etong visual na to sa akin, panalo to eh. Itong pangalawa na parang timeline, benta sa akin to. I like this presentation, madali absorb, kahit hindi explain sa akin ng FA. Great work sa presentation nito. Business reviews, plus points. Page 3. I really don't like statements like these. We may review and adjust the premium, yung babayaran mo, accordingly, but with prior approval from the Insurance Commission. Which means, nagkausapan tayo, pre, ganito, pre, ganyan, pre, papaalam ko, babaguhin ko yung usapan natin Ano yun? Yung cost pa. FWD shall notify you before any such adjustment. Ayoko nito kasi ibig sabihin may babantayin pa ako. Hindi ko alam kung standard ni Insurance Commission na lagay itong clause na to. Kasi nakita ko din doon sa ibang insurance proposal. In reality, mahirap mag-commit sa matagal na time frame and to keep your word. I suppose gusto ko pa rin ng tabular explanation kasi may perang involved dito. Depende din sa mood ko. Sabihin nyo nga ako, yung sa mga ibang nanonood ng mga videos ko, mas gusto nyo ba yung ganitong type ng presentation yung sa kanila, yung visual? Mas prefer nyo ba yung ganong explanation? O gusto nyo listahan, table, or numbers? Aling format mas gusto nyo? Minsan talaga excited ako may Excel. Lalo na pag malalaki yung data, tapos galing sa bangko, may pera, ganyan. Nakakapaglaway. Yung feeling excited ka. Yes! Gusto ko itong calculate. Ay, ako lang ba yun? Joke lang. Wala akong ganong feelings. Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Hindi ko mabasa. The use of color here is questionable. Have you seen yellow on white? Walang bezel, walang outline, walang shadow, walang banner. Contrast, my friend. Please make this change. Mahirap makita pag hindi ka nag-zoom. Makatulong to sa mga customer nyo. Sa minor, paid only once. Pero on top of to. So, kaya may 20% sa 320%. Adult condition or from juvenile condition. Hindi ka pwede mag-claim kapag suicide, illegal, or unlawful acts. For example, nagja-jaywalking ka, nabangga ka, unlawful yon. HIV, except kapag nakuha mo sa blood transfer or sa donation. Bawal mag-claim pag nagkagera. Pre-existing condition na hindi mo dineclare. Ibig sabihin nun, yung mga checkbox, meron ba kami history ng ganito? May history ba ng ganito? Hindi mo dineclare, tapos nakuha nila sa Health Bureau. Hindi nila i-cover yun. Yun yung interpretation ko dyan. If not, they need to reword this. Tapos, signature. Okay, ano tong page na to? I can say na napaka saya nitong proposal na to. Napaka-positive, napaka-happy, at madaling i-digest. Ito na siguro ang shortest review ko kasi 4 pages nga lang. Sa need ko for my health, ito kailangan ko ng product, nga lang covered siya until 75 lang. Which I expect patay na ako at that age. I like the Linus color, pero hindi ko siya mabasa unless i-zoom. Tapos yung huli na putol na papel, ano yun? Wala masyadong disclaimer, kasi sa ibang nakita kong proposal, yung disclaimer paulit-ulit. Siyempre, titingnan mo pa yon kung ikaw yung nagbabasa, di ba? That simplified a lot. Na-remind naman ako nung tinignan ko tong proposal, the main reason why ginawa ko to is you can claim up to 3 times worth of the policy value na kinuha mo. Plus 20% for any minor claim. Sulit na sulit, tsaka pwedeng bumalik sa'yo lahat kung hindi ka nagkasakit. Wala masyadong nosebleed, so good. Ito yung pinaka-modern na nakita kong proposal. Waiver of premium included. So ang trade-off sa decision ko ngayon is until 75 or up till 100 ang gustong coverage. 3 times ako pwede mag-claim or nagdi-decrease yung value. Sa inyo ba? Ano mas importante sa inyo personally? I loved the presentation. Very simplified, very colorful, fun. So, that's what I thought of the proposal. What do you guys think? Decided na ba kayong bumili? Gusto nyo bang tingnan yung ibang videos ko muna? You can also request for your personal quote from B. Links in the description below. Kung katulad nyo ako, hindi pa ako ready mag-commit at naghahanap pa ako, pwede yung kumuha ng mga can-do products nila sa FWD. May link sa description. You can just order online. Maganda to kapag hindi ka pa decided at meron ka mang supling, may umaasa sa'yo. Kaya kung ayaw nyo pa mag-commit, try nyo bumili ng mga ganung type ng insurance. Mura lang yun. Kung nakatulong sa'yo itong video nito, consider liking it and sharing it to people na matutulungan. Thanks for watching! Happy holidays! Shoutout nga pala kay Joy Marie Alcover, kay Violeta, at saka kay Jermaine. Congratulations sa mga recent A-listers. Itong susunod na part, ito yung part na titingnan natin yung proposal.